Well, hey, it's Heather Michet at Across the Fence Farm. Very cool bits and gifts from the rabbit poop compost. Check out what excitement I've got for you today. If you've been following me for a while on this channel, you'll know how much I love and use rabbit hutch cleanout compost. It's just divine. So today's extra bonus is, look at this mycelium, the fungi that's coming up. See these guys here? Yeah, look at them coming up. It's been really warm, so, and I haven't turned this in a while. Actually, well, like maybe a week and a half or two. Definitely some pretty new cleanings, so it hasn't broken down up on top much, but how cool is that? Have that fungi, and that's just another great aspect to the rabbit poop compost. And with this hot weather, it really helps get these guys going. Yahoo! Very exciting. Very exciting. So I will go ahead and turn this just to keep it going. Maybe add some more water to give it some moisture. But check out some of the linked videos I have in the description, because I'm telling you, rabbit poop compost is really rich and great. And it's got all the components for a perfect compost, which is the green, that'd be the Timothy hay, the nutrient-rich poop pellets, you see right here, and the nitrogen-rich urine, and then the sawdust, which is the brown. So you've got the green, you've got the brown, and it just breaks down so beautifully. Let me actually go ahead and turn this a few times and show you what it looks like underneath, because I know that's breaking down, so hang on. So I just did a couple forkfuls over. Look at all the ants in there helping, and see how it's breaking down already. It's awesome. Yeah, this will be a few weeks probably, and then it should be broken down, especially with the heat. But wahooty, excellent, excellent use of what probably just gets tossed by most people who have rabbits. Thanks to my great neighbor. What great things are you getting in your compost? And what are you reusing? Or getting another use out of? It's great. Thanks for watching. Be sure and comment. Let me know what you're doing with your compost. And like this video. Send it on to somebody else. Hit that subscribe button too. That'd be great. I'd love to have you keep following along. Oh, little added bonus. We've got ants carrying eggs. Yeah. It's all, I probably interrupted a little bit of a nest in there. Keep good care. Happy gardening. Connect with the earth. You'll be happier. You'll be healthier. And you'll be helping the earth and all of her beings that rely upon her. That includes us humans. Keep that in mind. Just taking care of our home.